Now let's move on to the fourth subdivision. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with charge for distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So we can start this. Let the fixed charge be rupees X. Let the charge based on distance or rate be rupees Y per kilometer. So this is clearly based on the distance. So now we can form the equation. In the first scenario, for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105. So X plus 10 times Y equals 105, or X equals 105 minus 10Y. So let this be equation 1. Now what is the second scenario? And for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge is 155. So similarly, X plus 15 times Y equals 155, or X plus 15Y equals 155. So this is equation 2. Now we'll substitute value of X equals 105 minus 10Y in equation 2. So substitute X equals 105 minus 10Y in equation 2. So that will give us 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y equals 155, or negative 10Y plus 15Y equals 155 minus 105, 5Y equals 50, or Y equals 10. Now we'll use this value of Y in equation 1 or 2 and find out X. Substitute Y equals 10 in equation 1. So X plus 10 times 10 equals 105, or X plus 100 equals 105, or X equals 105 minus 100. Therefore X equals 5. So we've got the values, and we can write the first part of the answer. Fixed charge equals rupees 5, and rate, which is based on distance, equals rupees 10 per kilometer. So these are the charges, and let's move on to the second part, which says how much does a person have to pay for traveling 25 kilometers. So for 25 kilometers, this will be X plus 25Y, which is equal to 5 plus 25 times 10, that is equal to 5 plus 250, and this is 255 in rupees. So for 25 kilometers, the charges will be rupees 255. So this is the answer. Now let us move on to the fifth subdivision. A fraction becomes 9 over 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 over 6. Find the fraction. So we can start like this. Let the numerator be X and denominator be Y. Now according to the first condition, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 over 11. So this will be X plus 2 over Y plus 2 equals 9 over 11. So this is 11x plus 22 equals 9y plus 18, or 11x minus 9y equals 18 minus 22, or 11x minus 9y equals negative 4. So this is the first part. Now let's see the second condition. If 3 is added, it becomes 5 over 6. So x plus 3 over y plus 3 equals 5 over 6, or 6x plus 18 equals 5y plus 15. And 6x minus 5y equals 15 minus 18, or 6x minus 5y equals negative 3. So we have got two equations, and we need to solve this to find the fraction. So first I will write them. 11x minus 9y equals negative 4, and 6x minus 5y equals negative 3. So let this be 1 and this is 2. We'll modify 2. 2 will become 6x equals negative 3 plus 5y, or x equals negative 3 plus 5y whole divided by 6, and we'll substitute this value in equation 1. Now substitute x equals negative 3 plus 5y over 6 in equation 1. So this will be 11 times negative 3 plus 5y over 6 minus 9y equals negative 4, and we can take LCM, and before that we'll take this 11 inside, and that will be minus 33 plus 55y over 6 minus 9y equals negative 4, and we'll continue here. So this is minus 33 plus 55y minus 54y, 6 into 9 over 6 equals negative 4. Cross multiply 6 and negative 4. So this is negative 33 and plus y, because plus 55 and minus 54 will be 1, equals negative 24, and y equals negative 24 plus 33, so y equals 9. Now we've got the value of y. We can find out, substitute y equals 9 in equation 1. So this is 11x minus 9y equals negative 4, and 11x minus 9 times 9 equals negative 4, 11x minus 81 equals negative 4, 11x equals negative 4 plus 81, that is equal to 77. Therefore x equals 77 over 11, which is equal to 7. Therefore x equals 7. So we've got the values of x and y. From this we can write the fraction. Therefore the fraction x over y equals 7 over 9. 7 over 9 is the answer. Now let's move on to 6th subdivision. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So we can start this. Let Jacob's age be x and his son's age be y. So 5 years from now, 5 years from now, the condition is Jacob's age will be 3 times that of his son. So x plus 5 will be 3 times y plus 5. And we'll expand this. X plus 5 equals 3y plus 15. X minus 3y equals 15 minus 5, or x minus 3y equals 10. Let this be equation 1. And what is the second condition? 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So x minus 5 equals 7 times y minus 5. So x minus 5 equals 7y minus 35, or x minus 7y equals minus 35 plus 5. X minus 7y equals minus 30. Let this be equation 2. So we've got two equations. We'll solve them by substitution method. So let's take equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y equals 10, or x equals 10 plus 3y. We'll substitute x equals 10 plus 3y in equation 2. So that will be 10 plus 3y minus 7 times y equals negative 30, or negative 4y equals negative 30 minus 10. We are bringing this 10 to the right side, and this will become minus 10. So negative 4y equals negative 40, or 4y equals 40 and y equals 40 over 4, that is equal to 10. Therefore y equals 10. Now we'll substitute this y in one of the equations and we can get the answer for x. So substitute y equals 10 in equation 1, and that will be x minus 3y equals 10, and substituting this, x minus 3 times 10 equals 10, x minus 30 equals 10, x equals 10 plus 30, that is equal to 40. Therefore x equals 40. We got the two values. So from this we can write Jacob's age equals 40 years and his son's age equals 10 years. So this is our answer.